Good day K3, it's me again, Mr. Jeff, and we're going to have another video lesson for today. I know you're at home and enjoying your holiday, but this time I'm going to teach you some lesson that might help you. Alright, but first let's sing your favorite song, which is Open Shut Down? No? One Little Finger? How about Who Took the Cookie from the Cookie Jar? Okay, let's play that song. Clap your hand.
Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Panda took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Not me.
Then who?
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Rabbit took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Not me.
Then who?
Bear.
Oh, bear.
Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Bear took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Not me.
Then who?
Penguin.
Penguin.
Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Penguin took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Not me.
Then who?
You have the last one.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Kangaroo took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I took the
The
cookie.
kangaroo took the cookie
I took the cookie from the cookie jar. The yummy cookie from the cookie jar. Are you hungry?
Uh-huh.
Let's share.
Okay.
Okay.
Who wants some cookie?
I do. Me. Cookie, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. I want some cookie.
Thank you. Me. Thank you.
Alright, going back to the lesson, we're going to learn how to write the numbers. Last time I taught you what are the numbers. So this time we're going to have some stories about each number. Ta-da! I'm going to show you this. Okay, let's start with 0, alright? How do we write 0? We have to say around and around and around we go. When we get home, we have 0. So how do we do it? Around and around and around and go. So when we get home, we have a 0. So this is 0. Is it fun? Now, you do it by yourself. How do you write 0? Around and around and we go. This is 0. Let's move to number 1. How do we do the number 1? Number 1 is like a stick. A straight line that is very quick. Oh, so number 1 is like a stick. Alright, again, number 1 is like a stick. See, that quick. So how do we write again number 1? From here, going down. 1. How about the other one? Let's move on to number 2. Oh, how do we write the number 2? Around and back on the railroad truck. 2. Alright, so around and back to the railroad truck. Now you do it. 1, 2. Very good. Now let's move on to number 3. Oh, this one. Around a tree. Around a tree. That's the way to make a tree. So around a tree around a tree. That's the way we make a tree. Very good. How about number 4? For number 4, down and over, down once more. That's the way to make 4. Again, down, over, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Great. Now let's move on to number 5. How do we do number 5? Straight line down, then around, hot on top, and 5 a clown. So straight line down, then around, and then hat on top, and 5's a clown. So now let's move on to number 6. Make a curve, then make a loop. There's on tricks to make a 6. So make a curve, then make a loop. There's on trick to make a 6. Now you try it. 1, 2, 3. That's number 6. Now let's move on to number 7. How do we do the number 7? Across the sky and then down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. So across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way to make a 7. So how do we do it? Across the sky and down from heaven. Very good. Now we move on to number 8. How do we do number 8? Let's make an S, S, and then do not wait, go back, and that's an 8. So how do we do it again? Let's make an S, and do not wait, go back up, and that's number 8. Wonderful. Last, we got number 9. A looped and a line. So a loop, just like what we did on number 6, a looped and a 9. That makes a 9. Well done. Now you have to combine 1 and 0 so you could make 10. Straight line down, then around with a green. Alright, so just like number 0, around, and we go. So 1, 2. That's how you write number 10. Now I'm going to teach you what you have learned from your teacher. Subtract and add. Alright? Subtract means you need to get some items. Add means you need to add more items. I'm going to have a test on everyone. What word is this? You got it right. This is subtract. What word is this one? This one is add. Alright. Let's first try how to do addition. 2 frogs plus 1 frog. How many left? So this frog will join this frog. So how many left now? 1, 2, 3. So we got now 3 frogs. That's how you do addition. You add or they join another group. I'll give you another example. Say goodbye to the blue frogs. Now I have 3 frogs. And then we need to add 1 more frog. So this frog needs to join this 3. So how many frogs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job! Alright, say goodbye to them. Now I'm going to help you how to solve subtraction. It's easy. Let's say you have 2 frogs and 1 here. When we do this one, subtraction, we need to get another 1. So we got 2 here and we got 1 here. So we need to remove this time, not going to, it needs to leave. So this one needs to say goodbye, and this one, how many left? Correct, we have 1 frog left. Very good. 1 frog. I got, okay, so this frog needs to leave. So we have to say goodbye to this frog. So how many left? We got nothing. We got 0. Alright, because the frog left. Alright, so what did you learn today, K3? I taught you 2 words, right? Apart from the 10 numbers. You've learned subtract and add, right? Subtract and add. You can also use minus and plus, alright? So that's it for today. I need to say goodbye now. So let's sing our favorite goodbye song. Bye bye, see you again. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye, see you again. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye, K3.